Hey guys, welcome back to TK Wonderland. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the viral Korean lipstick. Let's get started. First, you're gonna need a jar like about this big. You're gonna need your favorite lipstick and your favorite lip balm and Vaseline. Then you're gonna need a knife, but please let it be a butter knife or plastic knife. You could use a spoon or a stick for mixing, and you need a napkin. So firstly, what you're going to do with your jar, you're going to open it up and you're going to take your Vaseline, okay? And then you're going to take this part off the spoon and you're going to dig it in. You're going to transform all the Vaseline into the bucket like that. Okay, I'm going to fill this up with Vaseline off camera and I'm going to show you how it looks after that. Okay guys, I'm just done putting in all the Vaseline. Just so you know, it's not all the way full, it's just not fully at the bottom. Next, I totally forgot to tell you guys to use glycerine. So once you're done with that, you're gonna take glycerine, okay? You're gonna pour very little. About very little. Let me show you guys how much. If I can measure about 2 ml, you should put it. And now I'm gonna mix this up with a stick. Just keep on mixing. I'm gonna mix it a lot more off camera so I don't take up you guys' time. Okay guys, I officially mixed the things in. If you guys need more glycerine, you can use 5 ml if you want to add more and if you want it to be more juicy. Now you're gonna take your favorite lipstick, you're gonna pop that open. You need to have your parents with you all the time if you are gonna be doing this. You need to cut some off, like that much. You're gonna put that in there and mix really well. Okay guys, I mixed my lipstick in. Just so you guys know, in case you need some help, you can ask your parents, and if you don't want to use red, you can use any color you want, and if you don't have lipstick, you can use a lip tint. Anything would be fine and anything would work great. Now it's time for the lip balm. You're gonna pop your lip balm open. You're gonna take your same knife that you used and you're gonna cut very little off, like really little, like that much. You're gonna stick it in there and mix really well. You're not So that's how it looks when it's done. Now you just need to blow, like use your hairdryer and heat it up. So I'm gonna go heat it up and show you how it's gonna look afterwards. Okay, this is 10 minutes of hair drying. So it became completely soft. Now while it's soft, you're going to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. I'm going to come back to you guys in 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's officially out the freezer. Let's open and try it. Wow, it looks so cute. Guys, if it's not ready, you can pop it more into the freezer. Okay guys, we're gonna try it out. This is how it looks on the finger. Wow guys, look at that. It started working immediately. It's a really pretty color. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out when I post any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this life hack works for you guys, and make sure to please, when you're using the knife, make sure to be under parent supervision. Thank you guys so much. Love yous. Bye. Just so you guys know, the making of the process is a bit messy, so make sure to set a towel down when you're using it, when you're making it. And please, I'm going to show you guys a photo how the lip product looks on lips. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!